In this video, you'll learn how to use the screening design platform in JMP to construct a 12-run Plackett-Burman design for 5 factors. From the Home window, I'll go to the DOE menu, and under Classical, select Factor Screening, Screening Design. This gives me a dialog window where I can define my responses and my factors. You can change the name of the response or its goal, and you could add additional responses, but for this example, I'll leave the default response Y with its goal as maximize. For the factors, I can add continuous, discrete numeric, or categorical factors, and I can add more than one factor at a time. So I'll enter 5 for the number of factors and click Continuous. Now the 5 factors x1 through x5 have been added, each with a low and high level. If you want, you can change the factor names or enter their real low and high values. I'll click Continue and leave the default selection for screening type as Choose from a list of fractional factorial designs. Then I'll click Continue again, and now I have a list of designs to choose from. So I'll select the Plackett-Burman design in 12 runs. This is what's called a Resolution 3 design, which means that the main effects x1 through x5 won't be confounded with each other, but they will be confounded with interaction effects. And in a Plackett-Burman design, the main effects are partially confounded with the interactions, not completely confounded like in a standard fractional factorial design. Let's click Continue. And if you wanted to explore that confounding or aliasing of the effects, you can expand the design evaluation and look at the alias matrix or the color map on correlations. Under the output options, we'll leave the run order on randomize. And here you can also add runs to the experiment to include center points or replicates, but I'll stick with the basic design and click Make Table. The first column shows the overall pattern of high and low settings for the factors in each run. That's the treatment combination. And then you also have the individual settings for each factor column. Then you record your results in the empty Y column or whatever you've named your response. The design table includes several scripts, including screening and model scripts that you can run to analyze your data after you conduct the experiment. And I can actually run the model script now, just to confirm which effects I'll be able to estimate with this experiment. The main effects, but no interactions. So that's how you create a Plackett-Burman design in JMP.